Welcome everybody. Today's video finds us over here in Bangkok, but we're not going to be here for long. We're going to jump on the motorcycle and I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to show you a little bit of the road. I got a setup here, so I'm going to do a little bit of moto vlogging. So if you like this kind of stuff, I'll try to do a little bit more of it in the future. Anyway, we're going to take a trip about 250 kilometers up to the very northern part of the Lopburi Province. We're going to go up to just about the border between Lopburi and Phetchabun. We're going to go up and we're going to check out Wat Tham Khao Prang, I believe is how you say it. Anyway, this should be a lot of fun. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much on us on our way. And let's go see what we can. So there's the setup I got. So I got my action camera mounted to the front of my helmet. I'm still fine-tuning the sound, so there might be a little issues with that. So anyway, let's go on the bike and let's go check it out. All right, let's go. $320, so like 10 bucks. This is downtown Saraburi. Just a little bit of traffic here. Pretty normal for Thailand. What screws everything up is all these U-turn lanes. So you see right here, traffic stops so people can do U-turns, and it also blocks the other way whenever people in front of them are pulling U-turns. That's the only way to turn back around in this place. There's no like real right turns or left turns. Here we are. So how cool is that? Let's go take a look at it. It's just out here amongst all the fields. Over there is some cassava. So they have another little part of the temple down here. Looks like they're building a new hall. There's a Buddha. So we can ride up the road. Let's ride up the road. It says you can take your car, but beware of the monkeys. We'll come back down. Let's just ride up and let's see what it looks like. We'll go up the steps there. Yeah, we'll come back down. Let's just ride the road here. Yeah, you can see the Chinese shrine roof. There's some bathrooms, and yeah, a monk stays up here. Yeah, let's take a look at this. Quite steep here. Got some bathrooms, and then there is the prong. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, let's go down and we'll look at that big Buddha, and then we'll climb up the steps and we'll take a look at all of this. There's a Buddha there with the Naga behind it. All right, so we're up top. A little bit of a climb. Whew. All right, so there's a Buddha over there, and there's the prong. Okay, so right here, we got one more set of stairs to go up. You gotta take off your shoes. So they have the people praying, the little statues at the base. Ooh, this ground is hot. Okay, up top here, here's the little building. Looks like they're still building it over there. And they have a shrine. All right, the shrine is the old monk. And then they do have like a jade Buddha in there. And then back behind it, they have a couple more seated Buddhas. And around the platform here with this prong, they have these small ones around on the 4 cardinal directions with the old man monk underneath them. And then there is the peak back behind. Now I thought there would be a cave up here, but there's not. There is a Chinese shrine over there. I went over to it already on the motorcycles. Then you can go up on the top floor here. It looks like another room. So in here they have a tiny little Buddha footprint. And then they have couple statues. This hall is pretty empty and kind of echoey. It has the cloth here you can write a message on. and donate to the temple. And you can go up one more level here. I like these little tiny jetties on the corners though. The silver is quite nice. And we're getting to where the view up here is fantastic. Lots of farmland. And this temple's pretty busy. There's a lot of people that have come over here to see it. Oh, we can go up one more. See the top? Let's look in here right quick. On this floor they have a locked case. It's a big walk-in case, and it has all the little amulets on display here. So you must be able to buy these and make a donation to the temple that way. Then they have a place here to pray. Let's go up the last stairs here. So it looks like at one time they had a standing image there. Okay. So it just has these little figures. It has 3 of them, and they're facing inward. And then it has this column right here in the middle for some reason. And then the flowers decorating the ceiling. And this looks like as high as we can go. So that's the road you can take up back behind here. And then over there's that Chinese shrine. And you can see these nice little jetties all around here. And that's the stairs you come up and the back side of that big Buddha. And then all the farmland. Yeah, it's quite peaceful over here. Now the road, the main road is way over there. And that's the road that takes you to the north to Chaibadan. And then if you go to the south, we're right here on the border between Chaibadan and you go to the south and it's Lopburi. Lopburi and Saraburi is down to the south. All right, guys, so that finishes up our little walk around here at this temple. The highlight is definitely the big Buddha right there, but it's nice enough. You can climb up the stairs and you can see kind of the surrounding countryside. This is just out here. Like I said, it's between Lopburi and Chaibadan, and it's quite a nice little area. Lots of farmland all around, but it's worth a little bit of your time. It's worth, if you're passing through, stop and take a look at this. It's not really worth a special trip, but if you're going through the area, stop and take a look and walk up the stairs and see that big Buddha. And if you can't do the stairs, you can always drive up there. And definitely worth a little bit of time to take a look at it. It's just unique and something to see. So anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash like and subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, this is what I do, is you just go show you things that I see and tell you a little bit about what I know. And if you like that kind of stuff, then definitely subscribe and stick around, and then you're notified when I post a new video. And smash the like button and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. If you've been here or if you know a little bit more about this temple, let me know also. There wasn't a whole lot that I saw online other than, you know, who built it and when and everything. And I'll post that in the video description. But if you know more than me, let me know down in a comment. I'd really like to know. That way, if I come back through, I can enjoy this a little bit more. So in other words, from over here, remember guys, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.